Good day, everyone. I am Mary Grace Castillo Grace, studying at Mindoro State University, Calapan City Campus, taking the course of Bachelor of Technical Vocational Teacher Education, major in Food and Service Management. Today, I'm going to present you my session plan, entitled Preparing Equipment, Tools, and Utensils in Salting, Curing, and Smoking. All you need to do is to watch and listen. So let's start! Preparing equipment, tools, and utensils in salting, curing, and smoking. For salting and curing, we have the refrigerator or the freezer. It is necessary in maintaining the freshness of the fish. Another one is the gas range oven. It is the source of heat. Salinometer, an instrument used to measure the brine strength. Weighing scale, a device used to measure the weight of fish, raw materials, and ingredients needed. Beaker, a device used to measure liquid ingredients. Measuring cup, used to measure dry ingredients. It can be made in plastic or stainless. Measuring spoon, used to measure a small amount of solid and liquid. Also, it can be made of plastic or metal. Cutting board, used to protect the table when slicing or cutting food. The cutting board may be made of plastic or wood. Cutting implements or knives, used for cutting fish and other raw materials. Basin, used in the preparation of brine or curing mixture. Kitchen scissors, used in trimming off the fins of a fish. Food tongue, used to turn or lift food. In smoking, here are some equipment and tools used for smoking procedure. The cabinet-type smokehouse, an airtight container where smoke is introduced. Smoking tray, where fish to be smoked is placed. Soaking container, used for the preparation of brine or where fish are soaked for required time. Have all the equipment checked for any defects. Discard those that are defective. Repair if necessary. Continuous maintenance of the use of equipment must be practiced and checked after each use based on the maintenance schedule for every equipment. For checking and inspection, the refrigerator interior temperature should be kept at the proper temperature. Damage. Check the refrigerator inside and out, paying special attention to any areas corresponding to indication of damage. Look carefully for dents and scratches on both the interior and exterior of the refrigerator. The doors. Open and close the refrigerator and freezer doors to check their operation. Check that the doors lights come on and that the doors close evenly and tightly with the frame of the refrigerator. Inspect the gasket material of the door. The door should close and seal tightly with no gaps that could allow cold air to escape. The door gasket should not be torn, twisted, or otherwise out of shape to assure that they make a tight seal. Compressor. Open the door and leave it open for a few moments to get the compressor to turn on. The temperature control can also be activate the motor. The compressor should operate and start and stop smoothly without a noticeable shudder that rattles the refrigerator. Light. With the door open, the control button should be pressed to see if the light turns up when the door closes. Shelves. Where possible, open and close the shelves in and out, inspecting the operation of the lights. Coils. Check the refrigerator coils. Dust, dirt, debris, pet hair, and other material on the coils will reduce the efficiency of the cooling operation. A dirty coil will force the compressor to run longer to cool the refrigerator. For ranges, inspect burner for cracks, keep burner for cracks, keep burner valves greased, keep burner parts clear and open, check that oven racks are leveled, check the oven door closes tightly, check that gas cocks turn smoothly, and check grease drawer for proper drainage and leaks. A simple reporting procedure will help you obtain important information about health and safety issues in the workplace, identify problems when they arise and address them, Safety reporting procedures make it simpler for you and your workers to manage safety issues and prevent occurrences of incidents and injuries. Sanitizing is very important because it reduces the number of microorganisms on the surface where food comes in contact with. It cannot be accomplished until the surface where foods are processed are cleaned. Here are some professionals' guide to cleaning and sanitizing kitchen tools and equipment. And the first one is, put your utensils in a large pan, covering them fully in water. Carefully bring the water to the boil, putting a lid on the pan for 5 minutes. Remove the lid and wait for the water to stop boiling before removing the utensils with prongs. Another method for cleaning and sanitizing kitchen utensils is to combine a tablespoon of bleach with a gallon of water, leaving your tools to soak before rinsing them thoroughly with hot water. For the key steps, clean your kitchen utensils in hot water with an antibacterial detergent. When sanitizing kitchen tools and equipment, use either boiling water or a solution of bleach and water. And store your tools in a regularly cleaned plastic or metal box to keep the germs away. When cleaning and sanitizing kitchen utensils, remember to dry them with dishcloths that have been cleaned using a quality detergent such as Sunlight liquid detergent. After cooking or processing, scrape any food debris into a bin before cleaning and sanitizing tools and equipment. Fill your sink with warm and hot water and an antibacterial detergent. Use a clean sponge or brush to scrub each item thoroughly, making sure to remove all bits of food and getting into all the little hard-to-reach areas. Either leave to air dry or use a dishcloth, which should be cleaned with a quality detergent such as Sunlight liquid detergent to ensure you're properly cleaning and sanitizing kitchen tools and equipment. I hope you learned in my presentation. Thank you and God bless you.